31 to 40 quant. We'll start from 41 onwards. Right. So here 2 by 3, denominator is 3 but other denominators are 9. So we'll convert it as 6 by 9. Is that okay? 6 by 9, 4 by 9, 10 by 9, 7 by 9, 17 by 9. That is 1, 8 by 9. Am I right? Integer already we have 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 8 by 9 into some number is equal to 910. Is this clear so far? So now, what is denominator? Then x must be 9 multiple, right? First option, second, third, fourth, fifth, done. Your denominator is 9. That means in numerator you should have 9 multiple. So x must be 9 multiple. Is it okay? Amma ipudu mixed fraction undi manaki 3, 8 by 9. When you convert into improper, your denominator is 9. In numerator what should come? 3 into 9 plus, is 8 3 multiple? 9 multiple? So here in numerator we are not getting 3 multiple or 9 multiple. So the other number x must be a multiple of 9. Agreed or not? Chalo, next. 35% of 400 or 400% of 35. A percent of B or B percent of A. 400% in the sense 4 times only. 35 double. 70 double. Minus 140 minus 76. 64 is what percent of 160? Out of 160 what is 10%? Double. Again double. We got the number 64. 10% double double meaning 40%, third option. Is it okay? 10 and decimal gets cancelled. Denominator 6 how many times is 72? 12 times. Right hand side 3 how many times is 12? 4 into 4. 16 can be written as 2 to the power of x value 4. Option 4. Next. 80 divided by 1.5. Can we write it as 3 by 2? Denominator in denominator comes to numerator into 12. So this entire value goes to right hand side only. 3 how many times? 82s, 164s, double double. 640. When you subtract 640 from 1820, answer must end with 80 only. Yes. How many options are ending with 18? But second cannot be your answer. Fourth final answer. Second enduku kaadu 1200 undi kada. 1200 600 1800 80 40 120. Answer is coming to 1920. So it cannot be the one. Next. Again this fellow goes to right hand side and becomes minus. Am I right? 40%, 10% double double, 10%, double, double, 248. Okay. Subtract 300. This number is how much more than 300? 116. This is how much less than 300? 52. Then sum is equal to 168 only. 168 is what percent? Then 1% is by 35. And we need 100% into 100. Okay. Now 7 5 times, 7 2 times, 4 times, 5 20 times. Answer 480. Next. 114 5 times. 570. 570. Now from that we have a negative number 380 only. First subtract 370 here. How much is left? 200. And 10 more subtract it from 66. How much will be there? 56. Under root of 256. 16 is which number square? Fifth option answer. Negative number goes to right hand side and becomes plus. 3 by 7 convert into improper. 24 by 7 into 4 2 by 3. 14 by 3. 3. 8 times 7. 2 times, that is total 16. 3 cube. 27 plus 16. Fifth option. Right. So 4 how many times? Right hand side number 90 times. So right hand side there is 10 multiple. Matladali. 415.5 plus 115.75 plus some number is there, and that should be divisible by which number? 7. Okay. 7 divisibility is there. Keep that point aside. Right hand side which multiple you have? Come on. 10 multiple we have. Let me verify. 5 plus 5. 0.5, 0.75. 1.25. That means 11.25 we have. To make this 10 multiple, you need to add 8.75. Then only it becomes a 10 multiple. Am I right? So your answer must end with 8.75 only. How many options are there? Only one. Fourth final answer. Ardhamainda? Come on. Right hand side clearly there is a multiple of 10. Left hand side numbers inside bracket, when you add them, that becomes 11.25. To that we have to add 8.75. Next. 6 square, I'll write it as 6 into 6, 8 square as 8 into 8. And denominator 256 under root value 16 minus 88. How many times? 2. 4 times. 6 into 6. 4 times. Double. 36 double. 72 double. 144 minus 80. Answer 64. 64 is 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Fourth option final answer. Answer 3, option 4. Be careful. So under root value is ending with 6. So that should end with either 4 square or 6 square. Let's calculate 55 square. 5 square ends with 25. 5 into 6, 30. So 30, 25 is 55 square. But our number is more than 30, 25. Hence it must be 56 square only. Square and under root gets cancelled. Here you'll have 56. Under root of 625. Total 81. 81 is 9 square or 3 power 4. From 12, exponent value 12. How much should be subtracted to get 4? 8 must be subtracted. Fourth option answer. Numerator after decimal 2 digits, 1 digit. Total how many digits are there? 3. In denominator 1, 2, 3. So same numbers are there. Am I right? 999 into 99 into 36 divided by 99 into 2. Oh. Print lo number 0.9. Let us treat it as 0.9 for some time. We'll see the answer. Let's treat it as 0.9. 99 gets cancelled. 9 how many times? 111 times. 2 how many times? 18 times. 111 into 18 in the sense 4 digit number. Yes. That has to be 0.9 only, not 0.9. That must be 0.9 only. Right. So answer should end with, how many are there? How many are there? 3 options are there. But 18 is there. When you have 18, answer must be 9 multiple only. Is your third option 9 multiple? No. Fourth option? Yes. Fifth option? Fourth final answer. Hope you are following. Right. Number after decimal. All the options are ending with different numbers after decimal. 0.5, 0.5, 0.005, 0.005. That means 0.5555. From that we have to subtract 0055. That means answer must end with 0.55 only. How many options are there? Only one. Right. 63 how many times? Last digit verification. 9. 144 minus 9. 135 is equal to x into 5 into x cube. Then x cube is equal to divided by 5, which is equal to 27. 27 is which number cube? 3 cube. Answer 3. Right. Minus 18% goes to the other side. 150% of this number, 4380, 100%, 50%, 2190. Now 180%, take 200%, subtract 20%. Is that okay? 200%, 2760 minus 20%, that is 276. Right hand side number comes to left hand side, that also becomes negative number, 8877.6. So sum of both positive numbers, all three positive numbers, 80, 90, 170, 170, 60, 230. So here you have 13 and 1 carry, that is 9, 9330. 0.63519. 9000 gets cancelled. 153.6 we have to subtract. First let us subtract 150. From 330 if you subtract 150, how much is left? 180. From 180 subtract 3.6. 176.4 is equal to what percentage? Then 1% is 176.4 divided by 18. Percentage, that is equal to into 100 only. 10 and decimal gets cancelled. So numerator ends with 40. Denominator ends with 18. Numerator there is 0. Answer should end with 0. 8 into which number ends with 4? 8 threes ends with 4. Or 8 times also ends with 4. So answer must end with either 30 or 80. How many options are there? 2 options are there. Chachinattu cheyalsindi. Right. So answer is, you know that it is ending with 80. Is it clear? Matladali. Now, when you take 10 times of this number, 10 and decimal gets cancelled. 176.4 multiplied by 10, that is 1764 divided by 18 only. If you have 1800, answer is 100. If you have 1800, answer is 100. Am I right? If you have 1764 divided by 18, approximately if your numerator is 1800, then answer must be 100. This is how much less than 1800? 36, which is 2 times of 18 only. That means 2 times we have to subtract from 100 times. So answer must be 98. 98 answer. Oh, 0 kuda undi kada, correct. 980 final answer. Right. So let's verify number after decimal. Minus x goes to right hand side. 59 will come to left hand side. Numerator is ending with 56. Come on. Next, negative number after decimal, that is ending with 0.91. 32, 59, 91. Yes, come on. Answer 5 and then 6. Answer should end with 0.65. How many options are there? Only one. 56. Table analysis. Number of members in 5 book clubs during 5 given years together. Okay. Difference between total number of members in book club OP together in 2021. O and P together in 2021. That is equal to 306. MN together in 2024. M and N together 229. From this, if you subtract 229, your answer must end with 7. 2 options are there. So we have to calculate. 29 minus 22, that is equal to 7 only. 77, third option. What is the respective ratio between total number of members in book club M in 2021-22? M in 2021 and 2022, that is equal to 308. And N in the same years together. N in same years together, sum of these 2 numbers. To make the second number round figure, we need 2. Take 2 from 166. 164 plus 200. 364. Yes, this is what we need to calculate. Correct? Yes, now numerator is 11 multiple. Denominator is not 11 multiple. So in your answer, first number must be 11 multiple. First cannot be your answer, second may be your answer, third cannot be your answer, fourth cannot be your answer, fifth can be your answer. Am I right? How many possibilities are there? In second option, what is second number? In fifth option, what is second number? If it has to be 15, then original number must be 5 multiple, right? Is your original denominator 5 multiple? Then is there any possibility to get 5 multiple in denominator? Hence, fifth option eliminated, final answer, second option. Over. If 55% of total number of members in book club NOP in 2025, NOP, right, are male, what is the total number of male members in book club NOP together in 2025? So what percentage are male? 55% is 11 multiple. Then answer must be 11 multiple. Is your first option 11 multiple? No. Is your second option 11 multiple? Third option? Fourth option? Fifth option? Fourth, final answer. You don't have to consider data also. Number of members in book club Q increased by what percent from 2022 to 2025? Q 2022 140, 2025 189, increased by 49 from 140 percentage into 100. What is 10 percentage of the denominator? Come on. What is 50%? What is 25%? 30. 35 plus 14, that is equal to 49 only. 10% plus 25%, answer 35 percentage, final answer. Otherwise, what is 10% of denominator? 20%? 30%? 42. More than that? What is 40%? 56. So your answer is more than 30? Less than 40. Look at your options. How many options are more than 30, less than 40? Only one, third option. What is the average number of members in book club MOQ in 2023? MOQ. Average. Come on. 120, 180. Come on. 300, 140, 440. 9 plus 4, 13. 440 plus 13. 453. Average by 3. 151. Final answer. Now, quant questions from question number 31. The profit earned by selling an article for 610 is double the loss incurred. So, loss is negative minus x. Profit is positive, which is double the loss, they said. That is 2x. Okay, na? Okay, na? Right. What is difference between minus x and plus 2x? 3x is equal to difference between 610 and 175 only. Subtract 200, add 25. Subtract 200 from 610. 410, add 25. 435, that is equal to 3x. X is equal to by 3, which is equal to 145. Is this clear so far? Now, when you sell this item at 175, there is a loss of 145 rupees. X loss anar kada. X ent ochindi? 145. Then cost price is equal to 175 plus loss 145. Am I right? Which is equal to 320. Now what is your question? Selling price of an article when it is sold at a profit of 30%. What is 10% of the cost price? 30%. 96. Then it is equal to 416. 416, fifth option, final. If it is 10% profit, we would verify 11 multiplication rule. Avuna kada? 30% profit anar kabatti it has to become 130%, should be a multiple of 13. If you are comfortable with 13 multiplication, you can go and verify in options. The sum of two positive numbers is 3000. First number is equal to 20% of the second number. 60% of first number is equal to 20% of the second number. 23 times here. X by y is equal to 1 by 3. That means how many parts we have total? 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 3000. And what is the largest among these numbers? That is 3 parts. 3 into 1 part value, that is 3000 divided by, answer must be which multiple? 9 multiple, because in numerator we have 3 into 3, 9. Denominator there is no 3 multiple. Am I right? First option, no. Second, no. Third, no. Fourth, no. Fifth, final. Next. A circular copper wire of radius 28 centimeters is bent to form a rectangle. So there is a copper wire here which is already formed as circle. So now if you cut here and from a straight line, there will be a wire here. And using this wire we are now trying to frame a rectangle. So for triangle, for circle and rectangle, what must be same? Perimeter. What must be same? Perimeter of the circle, that is 2 pi r. That must be equal to, radius already mentioned. How much is radius? 28, which is equal to 2 times of L plus B only, perimeter of rectangle. 2 gets cancelled, 7 4 times. So L plus B is equal to 88. Length of the rectangle is more than the breadth by 16. That means difference is equal to 16. And your question is to identify length. How do you get largest number? Sum divided by 2 only. Sum of both the numbers 104 by 2 52. Follow tunara? Sure. 1/3 of a number is 2 less than 2/3 of another number. The sum of both the numbers is 21. What is their product? Yes. Out of first number, what is that fractional part you are calculating? 1/3. What is denominator? Then your number must be 3 multiple, right? First up number is 3 multiple. And out of second number, what fractional part you are taking? Then second number denominator is also 3. So second number is also 3 multiple. And you are asked to calculate product of these two numbers. So answer must be which multiple? First option, second, third, maybe fourth, fifth, final, over. Is it clear? AB can finish a piece of work in 24 and 40 days respectively. They started working together and after a few days B left. After that A could finish the remaining work in 8 days. After how many days of working together? B left. Okay. Now LCM for 24 and 40, that is 120 only. A can complete the work in 24 days. B can do it in 40 days. So per day A can do how many units? 5 units. B 3 units. Both together they started and they did some work and we don't know how much they did. But after few days B left and A completed remaining work in how many days? 8 days. In 8 days how many units A can do? 8 into 5. 40 units. That means whatever the balance we have 80 units, that work was done by both A and B together. Agreed? A, B together can do how many units? Then to complete 80 units they need how many days? That means they both worked together for 10 days. B alone worked for, B worked for, to complete the total work, B worked for, A worked for, hey pillalu, A worked for 18 days, 10 days along with B, and after that A alone 8, total 18 days. Total work is completed in how many days? 18 days. Together they worked for 10 days. After that A alone worked for 8 days. Total work is completed in 10 plus 8, 18 days. Okay na? Kani adigin question emanti B enroll tarvata vellipoyadane kada. So B left after how many days? 10 days final. 7 years from now, the average of Abby's age at that time and Bobby's age at that time will be 27 years. 3 years ago, the respective ratio between Abby's age and Bobby's age at that time was 6:11. What is present age of Abby? So in options you are given present age of Abby. From the ratio, Abby's age was how many parts? When was this? 3 years back. 3 years back it must be which multiple? 6 multiple. Am I right? 3 years back. First option -3. మాట్లాడాలి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ 6 multiple? Second option -3. 12. Is it 6 multiple? Maybe your answer, hold it. Third option -3. 29. Is 29 6 multiple? Fourth option -3. 19. Is it 6 multiple? Fifth option -3. 22. Is 22 6 multiple? Second option, final answer. 3 years back, it has to be a multiple of 6. We verified that condition and there is only one option. Hope it is clear. A boat can travel 10.2 kilometers upstream in 1 hour 8 minutes. 1 hour in the sense and 8 minutes, that is 68 minutes only. What is half of 68? 68 34. 68 34. 1 or 2. Here we have 10.2. Got the point? So to calculate speed in kilometer per hour, we'll have to calculate it for 60 minutes only. Half of 60. Sum of both 60 30. That means 9 kilometers we are supposed to consider. Upstream speed is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Speed of the water current is 1/4 of the speed of the still water. That means M is to S is equal to 4:1. Agreed or not? Upstream M minus S, how many parts? Come on. 3 parts is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Keep it aside. How much distance can the boat cover downstream in 36 minutes? If man speed to stream speed ratio is 4:1, downstream speed is 5 parts. 3 how many times is 9? 5 3 times? Matladali. 15 kilometer per hour, that is downstream speed. Now you are asked to calculate distance covered in how much time? 36 minutes. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed 15 kilometer per hour into minutes 36, convert into hours 60. 15 how many times? 4 how many times? 9. Fifth option, final answer. Basically you can eliminate this step also. You need not to write this. What was downstream speed we got? 15 kilometer per hour in the sense 60. Half of 60? Half of 30? That means 1/4 of the time is distance. Am I right? How much the time is mentioned here? 1/4 of it. Done. Unnecessarily you don't have to write formulas. There are 7 positive observations. Average of first 4 observations is 3 and last 4 observations is 5. The average of 7 observations is 4. What is the 4th observation? Right. First 4 number sum is 3 into 4, 12. Last 4 number sum is 5 into 4, 20. And sum of 7 numbers is 7 into 4, 28. See, when you add first 4 and last 4, how many numbers are we getting? 8 numbers. Out of 8 numbers, 4th number is getting repeated only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First 4 in the sense these 4. Last 4 in the sense these 4. So this 4th number is repeating. Hence what you can do is sum of 8 numbers minus sum of 7 numbers will give you 4th number only. Sum of 8 numbers 32. From that if you subtract 28, how much is your answer? 4. And if you use equality concept, first 4 numbers out of 7 numbers, first 4 and then last 4. 4th number is missing or repeating? 4th number is repeating. If it is number repeat case, is it direct effect or reverse effect? Direct effect. Average of 7 numbers is given as 4. So I'll take 4th number as 4. Average of first 4 numbers is 3, which is how much less than original number? Original average 1 less. Like that, how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. That means 4 less we have, minus 4 direct. Matladali. Next, average of last 4 numbers is 5, which is how much more than average? Like that, again 4 numbers are there. That means 4 more we have, plus 4. Cancel and plus 4, final answer. యాక్చువల్గా దీనికి ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఎవరికైనా ఈక్వాలిటీ స్టెప్ తెలిస్తే ఇది కూడా రాయక్కర్లా, డైరెక్ట్ 4 రాసేసి ఆపేయచ్చు. ఎట్లా అంటే ఫస్ట్ 4 numbers యావరేజ్ ఎంతమ్మా? 3. లాస్ట్ 4 numbers యావరేజ్ ఎంత? ఆల్ 7 numbers యావరేజ్ ఎంత? How many numbers are there in first 4 and last 4? 4 numbers only? Number of numbers are same only? Right. Here average is how much less? Here average is how much more? 1 less, 1 more. Same number of numbers. So gets cancelled. 4 final answer done. ఆల్రెడీ ముందు స్టెప్ తెలిసిన తర్వాత దానికి ఇంకొక ఎక్స్ట్రా స్టెప్, అది థింక్ బియాండ్, ఇంకొక స్టెప్ ఎక్కువ ఆలోచించాలి. ద పెరిమీటర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ is 66 more than the perimeter of the square. The respective ratio between the side of the triangle and side of the square is 19:6. Side of the triangle, how many parts? Side of the triangle, 19 parts. Which triangle is that? Equilateral only? 3 sides are equal. Perimeter, 19 threes, 57 parts. Side of the square, side of the square, perimeter, 24 parts. Difference, 33 parts, which in terms of a number is equal to, that means 1 part is equal to 2. What is the area of the square? Side of the square is 6 parts, which is equal to 12. So side is equal to 12, square is equal to 12 square, 144. Over? Okay na? What is the ratio? Rice of variety A worth 42 rupees must be mixed with rice of variety B worth 32 rupees. So that the new mixture of rice is worth of 36 rupees. Direct allegation only? మాట్లాడాలి. A price, B price, mixer price, go for allegation. How much is that difference? 4. 40 to 36 difference. Ratio, simplified form, 2:5. Fifth option. Over? So we're done with it.